Today we got the Oppo A16k. Customer bought this device because the screen is broken and damaged. The touch screen was touching by itself. So they brought the device to I can fix it for them. You can open the back using a plastic piece. Also you can use alcohol with it, so it will make the adhesive very soft and then it will be removed easier. At the back there is no flex cables, so you can go around it without any problem. These plastic pieces came from different sources, from 3D glass like this one, the screen protectors for iPhones. This is the stickers that it got rubbished, so I keep them. I can use them. The back is made from plastic. Don't make so much heat to it if you are heating, because it could be melt, so it might bend while you are heating it. This is the first device I repaired it from Oppo A16k. When I searched for this mobile, I was wondering what does it mean is 16k. It's a different name, or it called for something else. I don't want to say it, but I know what you're thinking. Alright, the back plastic has been removed. Now remove all screws from the frame. After that, always remember to remove something is very important and don't forget it. It's the SIM card tray. If you lost that inside, you may broke it. I removed it before, or it was removed. The customer get it removed. I can't remember where is it for now, because I fixed this device a week before. I can do everything in the same day, so I make something when I get the chance to do it. And sometimes I got something in prefer. I download something or upload something about the Samsung Galaxy A05. It was important, I think, than this one. But in this channel, you can have everything you need. Like I'm doing album for all devices, for all repairs, it come to my shop. So you may search for something maybe you are not finding on the internet. You may find it in my channel. Be careful while you are removing the battery. You may see it's getting some paint. I don't know why. The stickers, the green one, it's supposed to remove the battery without doing this. Somehow the battery is stuck in there and cannot be removed easily. So I'm trying to remove it without making damage. Damaging the battery, it could damage myself because it may burn or going on fire. Alright, make sure you get it straight after that. But step by step, don't push it too much. One way. Step by step, make it straight. Because we don't need any reaction inside the battery. Alright, this flex cable has been out and now you can remove the screen. Alright, the screen has one connector connected to the main board. Alright, there is too much glue on this. Who made this screen? This device was repaired before. I can see from that glue there is too much glue. I don't know why these people put that all much glue. It's just a small line that like the company do. Alright, consider subscribing. You can use everything you can to remove and all the dust from that frame, from the edges. Also use brush, use alcohol to clean everything. We don't need any tiny piece of glass, any dirt, any adhesive. Everything should be clean. Now remove all these stickers. I'm going to mention always and always is to test the screen before removing these stickers. Sometimes the screens could came damaged or broken during the transportation. Alright, I checked this screen before doing this. Also put it on the frame to make sure it's fit on the frame without and came straight. Alright, it's good. Now I cut the video and start putting the adhesive. As I told you, a small line is enough. No need to put more adhesive. You can see how I'm cautious while I'm doing this. Sometimes it gets a bulb in somewhere and it doesn't matter. Careful where you put near the sensors, the ear speakers and the camera. Don't block this area, it's very important. You may make something problem there. Or block sensors, block the camera, whatever it is. Now I think we're done. Make sure there is a gap to put the flex cable in there. Alright, I'm always putting the screen from the bottom and then put it to the top. So I make sure everything fits in place and the adhesive it didn't get somewhere else. Alright, it's pushed down. Now put the connector in there, connect the connector, put this sticker in place, sticker adhesive, and now we can put the battery. Alright, make sure everything is good and then we can now assemble the device. This repair, it doesn't need more skill. You can just repeat what I'm doing and you will be perfect replacing the new LCD for your device. Also, if you have any questions, you can just write it in the comments below and I will answer it as soon as I read it or as soon as possible. Everything has been told, but if you think we missed something, as I told you, you can mention it down. Alright, I'm gonna leave you with the video with some songs or music. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.